Just left Wendy's.
Yes, ma'am.
No fries.
That'll work.
That's fine.
Narea's damn dog missing.
Naria, your dog, mister.
And tell mama it's a hole. It's a hole in the backyard.
But it's a hole in the backyard, too, girl.
You gonna put his ass in there wet in the truck.
Yep. No, wait, mama, they shot her, girl?
No, just him. I guess she didn't came back.
Naria, Shadow then came back and Panda finds it. Oh, my God.
So yeah, tell her when she get here she need to get to looking.
Naria, mama said when you get to, you need to get to looking.
Cause we done already hit a couple of blocks.
Because they only hit a couple of blocks.
But yeah, I see y'all when y'all get here. Y'all on y'all way here?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we'll see y'all when y'all get here.
Okay.
Alright.
Ain't nothing but a G thing. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Yeah. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Said it ain't nothing but a G thing. Oh, nothing but a G thing.
What up with you, G family? It's your girl, Queen Lo.
King G in the building.
And y'all, we're gonna do another prank. This morning's prank, man, I was so tired. I didn't even know the camera had cut off, y'all. So we about to do another prank. As y'all just seen, I called my mama. She picked up my kids. Now Red thinks her dog is missing. So when she get here, the joke gonna be on her. So just stay tuned, y'all, because it's going down. I can't wait to see her facial expression, because she gonna be here and be like, Mama, he's outside, you lied, and all that good stuff. So I just want to get her, though. So just stay tuned, y'all, because we gonna get her real good, right?
Right.
So see y'all in a few.
I'm ready.
Alright, y'all, so what I'm gonna have to do is I am going to have to pull Panda in the house and basically put him in my room. They're back here kicking it. Shiloh and him are both here. She looking like, what's up, y'all? That's my girl Shiloh. Shiloh been around for a long time, y'all. She's always stayed with my mom. And as y'all know, Panda. So I'm gonna let him in my room and make her think that he has ran off, y'all. So stay tuned, man, because it's gonna be so funny. She gonna learn today. I couldn't get her this morning like I wanted to because the camera cut off. But y'all, we gonna get her today. So stay tuned. Yeah, see, he took some stuff over there off of that side. You see that board? Fell off over there on that side. And I guess he wiggled his butt somewhere.
What's up, boy? Come here. Come here.
Y'all, she went out there to go look. She out there looking now. I'm getting her butt today. She looking for her dog. He in my room, Carray.
Good. She deserves it. You see him yet? Cameras in years. I stopped.
Y'all, she out there looking. You okay?
I stopped.
What?
What happened?
Where's she at?
I don't know. She just walked in and outside. I mean, she just walked up front.
Y'all, she mad.
Hey. What's up?
Now then.
Still popping epidemic across America. the dog out there?
Naughty.
Good.
Have to take a little bit.
You okay?
No, she crying because her dog is gone.
It's okay.
Get on my face. Yeah,
There go your dog. I got you. I got you, baby. Dun, 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 dun. I got you, baby. Dun, 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 dun. I got you. You, I got you, baby. Now who made who cry? Baby. Woo! Yeah. You gonna learn today. Come on, Panda. She told me she was gonna do something to me and make me cry. Yeah. Say, Panda, you good, ain't you, baby? You good. Oh, she's a mess.
Cry when
Ooh, that's
I wouldn't wake up this morning, but she cried with the dog.
right. Y'all hear my mama? Shoot. We just saying, my mama said, what would you do? She didn't even call for help. She just came in there and told me, Grandma ain't waking up. Yeah. Girl, ain't nothing wrong with your dog. You hear me? Fix your face. Fix your face. I know she don't play about her dog. Don't play about her dog. I love you. Prank wars have began.
Leave me alone.
Let me give my kiss. I love my juicy box. I love this beautiful girl. All right, y'all. So, if this prank was successful, make sure y'all do hashtag Queen Low down below or Team Low down below in the description. In the comment section, y'all. But yeah, I think this is a thumbs up, and make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up because I pranked the mess up out of her. She told me this morning she was gonna make me cry, but I got her, y'all. So make sure y'all give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to the G Family, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the G Family, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And I appreciate it, y'all, because this was a win-win. Win. But anyways, y'all, I will see y'all on the next one. We love y'all, and I can't wait to give away this Saturday, man. And my son's having his birthday party, so make sure y'all comment down below on the video for Saturday. Happy birthday, Stevie, y'all. So it's going down, and Panda's just fine. All right, y'all, we love y'all. Again, subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.
Said it ain't nothing but a G thing. Oh, nothing but a G thing.